Yes. Like you.
Today we're going to do
Bird.
bird. In bird, we control this goose. We have to get it to its nest, and also it wants to eat the worm along the way. So you have to tell it what direction to fly. Can you read this little hint here? What does it say?
Change the heading angle to make the bird get the worm to land in her nest.
Yes.
But I don't know.
How to get the bird. So let's learn a little bit.
80 degrees?
Let's learn a little bit about
70 degrees, huh?
about angles first.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Angles intro. Let's learn a little bit. Whoop, that's not where I meant to go. Sorry. Let's search YouTube for an intro to angles. Angles tell us about direction.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about angles. An angle is the amount of turn or space between two lines that meet each other. When two lines meet at a point, or vertex, an angle is formed. The two lines are called the arms of the angle.
That's so weird.
Angles are measured in degrees, which is shown by this symbol.
So the degree is between the two lines. See the line like that? And then the angle is between them.
Yeah.
And the angle tells you how to get from this line to the other line. How much to turn.
A complete turn, also known as a full rotation, all the way back to the place it started, is 360 degrees.
So if you're pointing this way and you turn all the way around,
One half of a turn,
you'd be back
which forms a straight line,
where you
is
started.
180 degrees. 1/4 of a turn is 90 degrees.
That's
This
90.
is called a right angle. There are three other types of angles: acute, obtuse, and real angles.
You don't need to learn that for us.
An acute angle is one that is less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is one that is more
Okay, let's skip this part because we don't care
as
about
we
that.
talked about earlier. 90-degree angle.
We also don't care about this. We don't care about this. We don't care
Sum
about
up.
this. This is all important for when you learn geometry. But
Things
for
are
our
named similar to
purposes,
rulers.
this is the most important thing right here. The angle facing this way to your right is 0. Facing straight up, the angle is 90 degrees. And then facing that way, the angle is 180 degrees. Let's see if it shows.
But instead of inches or centimeters, it measures in degrees. If you don't have a protractor to measure with, you can estimate
Here
how
we
big.
go. This is a so for us, this circle is going to be rotated a little bit. This is not the best illustration. Let's see if I can find an online paint app for drawing.
No. No.
Here we go.
No.
Let's draw the angles that we need to learn for this duck, this bird app that we're going to program. So let's draw a circle. Can I draw a circle? Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like, and then if we're pointing this way, whoa, that's a weird pencil. Maybe I should use this. Oh, I see. It's just that. Okay, so if we're pointing this way, this is 0 degrees. Okay? And then if we're pointing straight up, this is 90 degrees. Good, you're getting it.
That's 90 degrees. And then plus 90.
And then, yeah, if we go 90 degrees more, we'd be pointing this way, which is 180 degrees, which is 90 plus 90.
And then 270 degrees.
Good, very good. So if we're pointing straight down, that would be 270 degrees. Those are important angles. And this angle here, 0, is also the same as 360 degrees. That's one of the funny things about, oops, 160. That's supposed to be at 0. Ah! Let me try this again. So 0 is the same as 360 degrees. If you turn 360, you're facing the same direction you were before. Halfway between 0 and 90 is 45 degrees. Here. Okay. And then halfway between 90 and 180 is 135, I guess.
Yeah. If you sit on the wall.
Yeah, so you get the idea, right? Now we're gonna tell the bird what direction to go. Can you tell the bird what direction to go to get to its nest? Let's click reset to see where the bird starts.
There. Yes.
Good work. So by telling the bird to head 60 degrees, we were able to get it to its home. Take a seat here, Sam. Okay, in this time, we need to use... Wait, can you read the hint first before you try?
Use this block to go in one heading if you have the worm, or a different heading if you don't have a worm.
It's talking about the if-else block. If-else.
Okay.
And the way you're doing it is correct. You put this condition, if it does not have the worm, then we're going to head a certain direction. And then once we have the worm, we're going to head in a new direction. And you can see this gray wall, it blocks the bird.
Yeah.
So we can't just fly through the wall, we have to fly around it.
Or fly over.
We can't fly over it. Flying over it would mean going this way. Go to the worm and then head straight up to the nest. That's the path I recommend.
And then what do I do now?
Now you need to add a direction that the bird should go when it has the worm. It goes in the else, in the space that says else.
This?
That says, what does that say here?
Does not have a worm.
Right, so we don't need that. We need the heading to tell the bird what direction to go. So now you told the bird to go 0 degrees until it gets the worm, and then head 90 degrees, and it got to the nest. Good work.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay, does not have.
Yes, good work. So now which direction to get to the worm? This one's a little bit tricky.
207.
It could